Good morning, students. Hope you all are fit and fine, enjoying at home and doing your work also properly. And the most important thing is all of you are maintaining the distance, following all the rule regulation given by the government to prevent yourself from the disease for which we are not able to meet right now in the class. All of you are knowing that? Okay, now we have completed our moral science course portion. That was chapter 2 and chapter 3 and the quotation sheet also. And now I am going to discuss about the same thing in revision sheet. Okay, here is the question, learn and write. First learn and write beta, because many spellings, if you are not learning, you are making mistake. So it is very important to learn also. And then you will write 5 magic words and make sentences with these words. I am showing you some magic words and I will make sentences. See here, thank you. First word is thank you. And whenever anyone gives us something, thank you very much, we say, isn't it? When someone is praising you, suppose when I am asking you are asking some questions, I am giving you the answers, then what you say? You say, thank you, miss. Not only things, beta. When we support anyone or when we give answers or when we get our answers or any solution, we tell thank you to the one who is solving our problem. Second is sorry, and this word we usually use when we hurt anyone or we think that by me someone is hurt, like that type of thing. Or suppose I am late in the class and all my children are waiting, then as soon as I enter, what I say? Sorry children, isn't it? When you are not paying attention, I am calling your name again and again. Some children are catching their ears and saying, sorry miss. And what does this word sorry and thank you, why it is important, my dear? Because this makes our language more graceful, more nice, more presentable. It looks, it hears very nice, okay? When we speak very soft, very gentle, when we use these magic words in our conversation. Now see, please. You all are not listening me, then what I am telling? Please children, listen to me. Suppose when I am in front of the board, what you say? Miss, please move, isn't it? I can't see the board. Or when we are not bringing anything, we are borrowing, we are asking from our friends, what we use? Please give me a pen. Or when someone is standing in the way, please move from here, isn't it? Please give me the way, or move. We use the words please in this situation. Welcome. Whenever you say thank you, what I say? Welcome, dear. Isn't it? Like that only when we invite someone in our home, you are most welcome, we say. You are most welcome. Now let us see the next word. May I. May I usually we used to ask the permission. Okay, suppose I am in need of using your pencil. Then may I take your pencil please? May I take or have will look more polite. May I have your pencil please? See, I can take pencil, but this may I please make the language presentable. Like you all are asking in the class, may I drink water, miss? Isn't it? Now let us see some more questions are there. Here are some questions which you have to answer in few words. Who troubled the mouse? And here you have to give the answer of this who. And the answer of the who is cat. Isn't it? How did the cat trouble the mouse? Because he was eating up all his things and he was chasing the mouse, and in this way the mouse was troubled by the cat. Who was afraid of the cat? Definitely mouse, because whenever cat sees the mouse, it catches it and eats it. And here the mouse was afraid because cat was always chasing the mouse. What made cat red? And what made cat red? Fever. When you are having fever, my dear, by your face only your parents, or I can also identify in the class, I am identifying the children. Are you having any problem? And children used to say, no miss, but when I touch your hand, what seems? I understand that the child is having fever, that's why he is sitting mum in the class, sometimes when you are not feeling nice. So what made the cat red? Fever. Means if you are having something problem in your body language changes, your color changes, and face, it becomes reddish. What was the mouse doing instead of feeling sad? And what was the mouse doing? Singing and dancing. The mouse was in the place of doing singing and dancing instead of feeling sad. Why? Because the cat was disturbing the mouse again and again. So my dear, we should not disturb our friends or brother, sister, anyone who is beside us. Okay, we should make them feel comfortable with us. Now see the next. What is the meaning of overlook? And overlook means to ignore, or to forgive, sometimes some child makes mistake, or our brother, sister, friends, then what we do? Every time we don't punish them. When it is too much, then we use punishment. But most of the time what we do? We forgive them. Okay, it's okay, it happens, and overlook. Don't give it much importance that this mistake you have done. Only we explain the children that don't do this type of mistake again, because this is not good for us. A good child should not do this type of mistake. Or if our friend is also there, what we do? Okay dear, it happens, forget it. Who showed bitterness and enmity to the master? And who showed? The unkind man. Unkind man showed the bitterness and enmity to the master. Whenever master was coming, what the unkind man was doing? He was throwing stone at the master, and telling also to all his neighbors that master is not a good person, throw a stone at him. For how many years did the unkind man show bitterness and enmity to the master? And for how many years, my dear? for 24 years. Your answer is 24 years. The unkind man showed bitterness and enmity to the master. And what master gave in return? Master was kind, helpful, and he was always helping the unkind man in return. Who was kind and forgiving? And definitely master. Master was kind and forgiving. That's why again and again the unkind man was doing the mistake and master was forgiving him again and again. Now what you will do, my dear? First of all, you will write SW and date. Wait, I am changing the color, then it will be more bright. HW and date. And write, if you are, when you are writing, you write little darker, my dear, so that it should be clear seen, because we have to check online. So if it will be dark, it will be clear to us. Okay, and write in very good handwriting, because these papers also, whichever we are receiving, this means your CW SW marks will be given according to this only. Thank you, dear. Have a nice day.